What's going on, karate family? This is Dan Holmes. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today we are continuing our series on Kobudo weaponry with the first bow form of our curriculum, Kobudo Bow Shodan Modified. And now for a half-speed walkthrough. We're going to start in attention position with the weapon cradled in the front of the right arm, left hand coming up, circling up, grabbing the top of the weapon, chambering on the right shoulder, stepping back with the left. Downward strike, uppercut strike, downward strike, big circle on the right side of the body with another downward strike. Turning to back stance, clockwise circle, minor thrust and a cross step, back stance, minor thrust. Side strike behind, followed by 3 stepping downward strikes in a forward stance. We're going to follow that up with a major thrust, pulling the right foot back in a samurai kick. Side strike again, stepping downward strike. We're going to step backwards with the right foot, high block, low block, left side strike, right side strike, pivoting the hips for that helicopter strike, pulling back to your cat stance with a side block. Another samurai kick in a walking stance with that helicopter strike. Stepping across 45-degree angle with the right foot with a downward strike. We're going to follow that up with a jumping helicopter strike. So you're starting at a 45-degree angle with the right foot in front. You're going to jump up as high as you can, pulling the knees up and the feet up as high as you can, and then turning directly to the front in a kneeling position. As you can see, I broke up the jump and the striking motions, continuing with the strike there. In reality, you want to perform both motions at the same time. So you're going to jump up again really high, getting your feet up close to your hips, and at the same time starting that helicopter strike as soon as you jump, landing with a strike to the knee level. You're going to stand up in a back stance, turning that left hand on top for a side block, chambering for that downward strike, again uppercut, downward strike, circle on the right side, downward strike, with a major thrust, loud ki. Finishing up with a figure 8 motion, weapon goes behind the right arm, and bow. That's it. I had some more help from my nephew and student Connor. He's a great cameraman. If you got something out of today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Help me grow my channel. And as always, if you want to support future projects, check out my Patreon. Thank you all so much. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.